If you're looking for a way to improve the reach of your Instagram posts, then you could use a new feature called Collab posts. It lets you invite another Instagram user to share one of your posts on their account. You don't need a Kardashian or a Jenner behind you to make this work, and here's how to use this feature. Set up your post as you usually would. Then tap Tag People. On the next screen, tap Invite Collaborator. If it is not there, you need to change your Instagram account to a business account. To do so, go to Profile, tap on the 3 lines icon, then Account and switch to Professional Account. Back to your post, a search bar will come up. Search for the person you want to collaborate with and select them. They will now be tagged in your image or reel. Click the Share button to post your image or reel to Instagram. While you are waiting for the other person to consider your request, you will see the current invite status under your picture. Only you can see this. Meanwhile, they will get a direct message inviting them to tap on the image and collaborate with you. By using this collaborative feature, you get the benefit of the other account's followers and reach, and if you use Instagram to sell a product, both parties can run a sale. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, visit our full playlist of tutorial about Instagram.